Hello kids, welcome to Kids With. Let's explore water park objects. This is a water slide.
This is a water slide.
This is a water playground.
This is a water playground.
This is a wave pool.
This is a wave pool.
This is a spiral slide.
This is a spiral slide.
This is a float tube.
This is a float tube.
This is a sun lounger.
This is a sun lounger.
This is a splash pad.
This is a splash pad.
This is a fountain.
This is a fountain.
This is a lazy river.
This is a lazy river.
This is a water bucket.
This is a water bucket.
This is a speed slide.
This is a speed slide.
This is a water tunnel.
This is a water tunnel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.